So these are Firefly 2 Touch earbuds from Jabees, comes in this classic box. I have already unboxed this and been testing them since last 2 weeks, and here is my final review. And if you also want to buy these, then just go through the description link, enter the coupon code, you will get 30% off. So the front side of box has brand logo and picture of earbuds as well, and it is also mentioned that earbuds also do have IP67 rating. I'll talk about that in detail later in the video. Other side contains some main key features of earbuds. The back of box also has some main highlights. And here is another nice packaging with the branding of Jabees on this little box. In the little box we have this solid charging case along with earbuds in it. We will check them in a while. Then comes this big box which contains a user manual, a terms and conditions card, 2 packs of extra ear tips, which is really nice thing, a rubber strip to hold your earbuds around your neck, and a Type-C charging cable. So here are all the box contents that you get in these 2 boxes. Now let's check out the earbuds and the charging case. Charging case is made of shiny solid plastic material. We have Jabees branding over here. It's really comfortable to hold it in your fist. These 2 holes are LED indicators. The left one shows the battery status of box while the right one shows the charging status. Rear side contains Type-C charging port and it supports really fast charging. It has magnets attached, that's why it produces a sharp sound when the lid is closed. As you open the case, the earbuds turn on automatically, and this LED is the proof of that. These are charging pins, and this is the power button which also has multifunction, on which I will talk about later in the video. And here are the Firefly 2 Touch earbuds. These are actually designed pretty cool. These are actually a bit thicker than AirPods and AirPods Pro and other earbuds, but no doubt they fit in your ears perfectly. Quality wise, these have amazing build quality, and if you look at these 2 plastic strips, then these actually helps to fit properly in your ear. And other than that, they also have microphones, not one but both of them have it, and this is what the dual microphone technology is called. And this dual microphone system do amazing job in the call quality and recordings as well. Well, coming to the buttons and touchpad, then both of these have pressable buttons as you can hear sound, and these also do have touch buttons as well. Now it's time to check out their functions, and for that I have connected them with my phone's Bluetooth. And now I'm gonna play some videos on YouTube. You can find all the controls and multifunctions of buttons on earbuds in this user manual. So the double touch on any of the earbud will pause or resume the videos. But in my case, the left earbud was not doing great because touch button was not so good. I had to press many times to do it, but right one was extremely smooth and working great. And for that I contacted with Jabees regarding this issue. They told me to upgrade the earbuds firmware via Jabees audio application, and after upgrading the firmware, the left one started working good, same as of the right one. And then the triple touch on right earbud will play the next video, while the triple touch on the left one will move to the previous video. And these earbuds also do have ambient sound mode or transparency mode, whatever you call it. And that is a fantastic thing. It's like if you want to enjoy the music with full volume and also want to hear the surrounding sounds at the same time, then simply double press the left earbud and it will turn on the ambient sound mode. And this is really a most premium feature. Obviously these are not any budget earbuds, they cost almost $100, so these are having such premium features also, which are most likely of the AirPods and AirPods Pro. Talking about the bass and sound quality, then it was really impressive. I was shocked about that. On full volume you feel such an amazing sound experience, and if you are buying them, then I would suggest you to listen 8D music on it. This provides a next level sound experience on these earbuds, and the bass of these earbuds makes them more premium than they are. And if we talk about the battery capacity, then everything written on this user manual is absolutely right regarding the battery. I was getting almost same battery life as mentioned here. These provide you 2 hours of music playback on just 10 minutes of charge, while 10 hours of music playback on full charge, which takes about 45 minutes. And this is absolutely a mind-blowing battery life I've ever seen in earbuds. Obviously, these are premium earbuds with price tag of $100. So the charging case has a big battery of 500 milliamps, which can charge earbuds 2 times when it is fully charged. It means you will get total of 20 hours playback. And these earbuds also supports wireless charging as well, which is super great thing. Now this multifunctional power button also do some great stuff, like pressing it for 3 seconds will pair the earbuds to each other. Now if anything goes wrong with the earbud, like you face any connectivity issues or something else, then press the power button for 10 seconds when earbuds are in the case and it will reset them. And then just upgrade firmware via Jabees audio application and boom, they are ready to use. And to change the language from Chinese to English or English to Chinese, just do these simple steps. Now let's talk about the waterproof system of these earbuds. So these can last 30 minutes in 1 meter depth of water, which is basically a great thing. And I even tested them by myself. I put them in bowl and left them for just 10 minutes. And I also started a stopwatch, as you can see. And after the 10 minutes, I took them out from bowl and dry out, and guess what? They were working super great. Yes, I was surprised by their waterproof engineering. As you can see, they turned on and the LED started blinking, and later on I connected them with the phone also, and they worked absolutely great. There was no difference in sound quality or not even in bass, or no connectivity issues after the waterproof testing. So no doubt these are the best earbuds in this price tag. The only thing that was disappointing, it was regarding the pressable button. It is actually very hard and you need to hold the earbud to press the button. Otherwise, if you try to press the button with just single finger, then it can cause pain in your ears for a few seconds. Other than that, sound quality was great, bass was extremely impressive, and that IPX7 waterproof system, that's just impressive. So if you want to buy premium earbuds with great price and a big list of functions, then you can go for these earbuds. If you don't have budget, then don't worry, you can simply redeem this code and get 30% off. So that ends up here. That was my full review video on Firefly 2 Touch earbuds. If you have any questions, simply put them out in comment section below and I will reply you as soon as possible. Subscribe for more tech reviews and I'll catch you in the next one.